Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Posting a LinkedIn article from your phone in 2026 is easier than ever, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Step 1. Open the LinkedIn app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap your profile icon at the bottom of the screen, then select the Create or Write option. You'll see different content options appear, so look for the Article or Write Article button specifically. Step 2. Once you're in the article editor, give your article a compelling title that grabs attention. Your title should be clear and make people want to click and read more. You can always edit this later if you change your mind. Step 3. Start writing your content in the text field below the title. Write naturally and break up your text with paragraph breaks to make it easy to read on mobile. Mobile users appreciate shorter paragraphs, so keep that in mind. Step 4. Add a cover image by tapping the image icon. You can upload a photo from your phone's gallery or search LinkedIn's library for free images. A good cover image increases engagement significantly. Step 5. Before posting, review your article for any typos or formatting issues. Make sure your links work properly and your message is clear. Once everything looks good, tap the Publish button to share your article with your network.